Get 3 to 4 shades lighter with this body scrub. This is a premix method. It's not organic. This scrub is super effective, okay? Don't use this scrub if you don't want to whiten your skin. It's your girl D-Love Beauty, and I'm here again with another video showing you how to make a whitening body scrub, or you can call it Molato scrub depending on the name of your choice. So this is a highly requested video from my subscriber. She requested that I make a whitening body scrub, and I'm here to grant the request. Here is the video because I'm going to show you guys how to make a whitening body scrub. This is a premix method, okay? It's not organic. In my next video, I'm going to make organic scrub for beginners friendly. I know you must have seen a lot of videos talking about how to make a whitening body scrub, but this video is different because I'm going to be honest with you guys, and I'm going to explain better to you like you are right here with me. So before we start, if you're new to my channel and you want to know how to make your own skincare products, product reviews or DIYs, start now by subscribing to this channel, okay? Press the red subscribe button down below and you press the notification bell beside it so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, let's dive straight to the video. Firstly, I will start by listing out things we need for this production, okay? And the next thing we are going to talk about is step-by-step procedure to make this whitening body scrub. First, we need a base scrub, whitening powders and activator. So I will be using kojic spa salt and Ashanti milk scrub as our base. This kojic spa salt is a Thailand product, including the Ashanti milk scrub. It's a Thailand product too. This kojic spa salt is very affordable depending on your location. It's made with tomato, goat milk and kojic acid. So these are the main ingredients in this scrub, and that makes it very good to lighten your dark area. You can use it on the arms, your knees, your knuckles. This scrub is very good. This scrub doesn't have any side effects. It doesn't bleach. It can be used by all skin types. Whether you are a dry skin or you are oily skin, you can use this scrub. We'll be using one Ashanti milk spa scrub. So this Ashanti is also a Thailand product. It's very affordable. It's made with collagen and honey. Lathers very well. It has a lot of good reviews. I've used it before and I can testify to it. It's very affordable, okay? If you don't want to promise this Ashanti, you can use it alone. So we'll need 1 Yoko spa salt, okay, to act as our exfoliator. This Yoko spa salt is enriched with vitamin E and goat milk. It removes excess dirt on your body and is going to remove dead skin cells from your body, giving you a smooth complexion. So we are going to be using 1 skin-free milk serum in this scrub. This skin-free milk serum is a highly concentrated serum that you can add to your lotions, your soaps to give you that light and glowing skin. It's used to treat dark areas. So why I added this serum into this scrub is to help activate this scrub, because this skin-free milk works by enhancing your product to give you a much lighter complexion. Good for dark knuckles, dark toes and dark spots too. So we need 1 pimento serum. This serum is my favorite serum. It's made with fruity acids and essential oils. It's also active like skin-free milk. You can promise it with your lotions, your cleansers or your body wash. It clears dark knuckles, dark spots, elbows and toes too. So we'll be using this pimento serum alongside with skin-free milk to activate the scrub. be needing is 20 ml argan oil and 50 ml spikenard oil. This oil is good for anti-aging. It's a treatment oil used for face and body lotion. You can also use this oil as your glow oil. The next ingredient we'll be needing is 15 grams salicylic powder. Salicylic powder is a beta hydroxy acid that is used to get rid of warts and exfoliate your body very well. It can be used in face and body scrub. And the last thing we need, guys, is 15 grams of licorice powder. It's also good in whitening of the skin. So guys, all these things I mentioned is what we need for this production. So now let's go over to the procedure. To make this scrub, in a sanitized bowl, pour in all your base scrub inside, followed up with your powders. Make sure that you dissolve the two powders I mentioned with your lemon oil. Lemon oil is a very good oil used on green veins, so make sure you dissolve your powders with lemon oil. And lastly, follow up with your serum. Blend very well and you package it. Your scrub is ready. Leave this scrub for 24 hours before using it. Because of the salt scrub we used as base in this scrub, I won't advise you to use this scrub on your face. It's not advisable to use a salt scrub on your face. Instead, go for sugar scrub because it's more mild. Once you continue to use this scrub after you bathe, use it 2 to 3 times in a week, you will surely get lighter. So guys, I hope I was able to explain better to you. If you still don't understand anything I said in this video, let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video very helpful, please press the red subscribe button below and you press the notification bell beside it. Give this video a thumbs up and you drop a comment down below, okay? See you guys on my next video.